try to install multiple hotfixes via Linux bash script on my Citrix Xen Server hypervisor pool. So I have a pool, test pool. The name is test pool. It's the default installed, so it doesn't have any updates. So it's 8.2.c1 with no updates. And I want to install some updates in one go with no reboot. I've tested this one time and I will test it once again, and I see that it's pretty stable. It doesn't have any issues. So let's start. The script is created with the help of ChatGPT. I'm not a scripting expert, so I'm using ChatGPT any way I can. Let's take a look at first what updates I want to install. So I've created a new folder in the root folder. You shouldn't do it like this. You can create a folder in the home directory. Don't use the root, but I used it because it's my home lab. So let's just list the folder content. It's root hotfix. So it's hotfix. If I knew how to type. Okay, so I want to install all those hotfixes in one go. I've tested it, and I can also install, I don't know, until the latest version, the 68. But I will only install this part because I want to install it and then go to a single host. So I want to go then to this one. So first I want to upgrade the pool, bring it to that patching level, and then bring this standalone server at the same patching level and join it to the pool, because you can only join the pool if you have the same level of updates. So this is useful when you work with productive environments and you have a host crashed and you need to add it back to the pool as soon as possible, and you don't have time to update manually apply those patches manually or reboot 7 times the host. Okay, so let's start. The script also does the cleanup at the end of the when it's done. Okay, so those are the hotfixes. That is the script. Let's make it executable, or how is it called? Okay, and we should be able to run it. Okay, let's hope for the best. No such file or directory. What? things. Okay, let's see what happened with the root hotfix. So I have to create the password file. So I forgot the password file. Maybe that's the problem. Okay. Nano password. Now I need to type the password. I will take this out of the screen. Okay. Let's come back and let's try one more time. The same command. I believe I've copy pasted the script, and now it has an error. Okay, let me try to create a new file. Nano script. Okay, let me take the code. So I've created with shell script OpenAI. Okay. Another error. Okay, let me see. Okay. Again, forgot something. Nano script. I typed the wrong pool master. It's 26. Okay, third time it should work. Again the same error. Root hotfix. Failed to find hotfix, but there is the folder there. It's existing. Yeah, I know it's existing. But why won't you go further? Does it need a default storage? Let's see. It it shouldn't. No, I don't want to detach it. Yeah, I believe it needs a default storage. But why does my pool doesn't have a default storage? I don't understand, because I just created the pool. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I believe the problem is that I don't have a default storage, but let's see what we can do there. So let's first list the storages. Okay, local storage, I want to use this one. I also need pool ID pool list. Okay, test pool, and this is the UID. And now we should xf pool parameter set UID of the pool and default SR. It should be my local storage on Xen. Okay, let's see, did this work? Okay, default. Okay, now let's try our script again. Maybe the fourth time it will work. Yes, so that was the problem. It did not have a default storage where to store the hotfixes, because it uploads them and it installs them. So installing has begun, and it should install on the entire pool, all the updates, and it also cleans up. So it installs and then it's cleaning up, and it also creates a log file. I will I will post this the script in the first comment of my video. So I'm just installing the recommended hotfixes, because those contain a lot more hotfixes, and I do not need to install each one, just the recommended ones. But in the end, everything will be installed from 1 to so now each each update tells you, okay, I need the XenServer tool restart, I need a server reboot, but we can still install everything with only one reboot at the end. So it will work. And the same thing we can do since this is installing, we can do the same thing on standalone host. So as I told you, if you have a productive environment and you have a pool with, I don't know, eight members, and one member crashes and you need to reinstall that server, that host, you need to apply all those patches, and the patches need to be at the same level of like the pool. And with this script you can get there very fast, and you know that you do not miss any updates. So it completely installed everything that was available, and it also has done the cleanup. Now a reboot is necessary. So we should reboot the pool master first. And after the pool master is up, then we can reboot the remaining slaves. And meanwhile, we can um, apply the same patches to the standalone server so that we can add it to the pool. So I have a similar script also uploaded here. Let me see if I copied it. Okay, I need to make it executable. Plus X and install. Okay, I don't know if I copied the hotfixes. Okay, I copied them. Should go one step back, and I should run the installer. I hope let me just look at the script a little bit. Oh, here I need also the password file. Okay. Nano password. Okay, let me type the password in another screen. Wait, I mistyped the. No, it's fine. Okay. So let's run the script. For this Xen server, I have a default storage, so I shouldn't have the same issues. started the installation. Where is my Xen server? Okay, my Xen server 4. Okay, already installed something. The master is back online. This is good. We still have the messages for the slave that needs to be rebooted. We will reboot that now. And while this reboots, we will have also the patches installed here on the standalone. So the ISO files I've copied with WinSCP. So I've just created that folder, copied the ISO files that I want to install. So until 54, and I use the script for the installation. Okay, so the slave is also back online. We have the pool at this level of patching. The pool doesn't have all the patches, but it will be the same like our standalone. Let's see how we are doing. Okay, everything has installed. It also cleaned up the storage. We need to reboot. Reboot, yes. And of course, you also need to clean up the patches from the folder that you used in the script, and I will delete everything so that we've installed until 54. Okay, and now from 58 to 68. So I'm now back on the pool master, because after I add the third server to the pool, I want to run the script again so that we can have the other hotfixes installed. I'm just waiting for this one to boot up. Let's see, because it's a virtual machine. Where is my... Here. Okay, he's back on. Okay, let's try to reconnect. I don't know why the console did not automatically reconnect. Maybe it's waiting for something. Needs to be rebooted. I believe this is just a display error. Yeah, it went away because it just rebooted. Okay, so we are now at the same patch level. So basically, I can add the server to my pool. Where is that option? Add server. Do you want to the pool? Yes, of course I want. so I have my third server in the pool. The default storage went away again. I don't know why it's behaving like that. So I need to redo that. So where am I here on? Let's reconnect. Root. Come on. Okay. So let's set up that default storage one more time. SR list and X. I mean, I'm stupid. I already have the command saved. So, okay. Okay, so we're back in business, and now I want to run the script one more time. I just want to run the first script that I believed it didn't work. Let's see, because nothing changed really. Hotfix install. Okay, let's give this script one more chance. No, it doesn't like. Okay, never mind. We can run the script that worked. So this one. Okay, now it will start from 58 where we left off, and it will install on all the members in the pool. So I need to do a little bit of cleanup because it seems that the script did not work. So this one is the correct one. Let's delete what I saved here. Clean up. Okay. Okay, let's see what the script is doing. Oh, this is from Xen for the other one. Let's go back to my. Okay, we are at 59. So 59 partially installed. Okay, done. It's installed on all. And here 60, so it uploads it, it installs it, and immediately after it cleans it up. Cleaning up is just a removal process, so it just deletes it after it applies the patch. And the script also has a log creation, so it basically logs all those actions. I will show you the log when it finishes. So this kind of scripts you can also run from a different Linux VM, and this can gratefully help you to automate the installation of a Xen server. But I only know that it can be done, but I don't know how. But I will someday also learn how to do this. Okay, we are at 61. 60 is installed. 61 now. It seems that for 61 it needs a little bit of time. Okay, installed, cleaned up. 63. And we are almost done, because we have how many? 63, we have 64, 65, and we have some. But nevertheless, this is a fraction of a time on how much it would take you to install it via the Xen Server console. And yeah, I know you can go with update the online updates, but in 99% of the cases, your Xen servers will not have access to the internet, and you will have to download each ISO file and install it manually. And with the Xen Center, you cannot install more than one at once. And yeah, it's a lot of clicking, but with the script, you can do it faster. Okay, so 50. Oh, this is the old one. Where are we? 65. A few left. So just as an example, for everything here to install manually, I believe you need 2 hours at least. At least 2 hours. Okay. And I believe we are at the last 67 and one more. This 67 contains a lot of updates, so it basically overrides, I don't know, 10 other hotfixes. This is why it takes a little bit of time. Come on, don't disappoint me. So I just want to say it one more time, don't do it like I've done it here. This is my test lab. So in production, you are responsible. You should do it as you wish, but I believe that nothing will happen if you run this, if you work like this in a productive environment. Okay, of course, everything needs to be shut down, all the VMs. Okay, so the script has finished. Okay, and before I stop the recording, let's see. Let's take a look a bit at the script. So here it will save the log. Let's say XenServer hotfix install. Okay, let's go there. Log XenServer install. Okay, so it basically recorded everything that we saw earlier. It recorded in the log even the failed attempts. Okay, so basically the last thing that we need to do, because we need to apply the patches correctly, it's screaming for reboots, so we need to reboot, but we start with the pool master, and then after the pool master is up, after a few minutes we reboot the other hypervisors in the pool. Okay, he's back online. We can clean up also the ISO files that we copied, and this one did not work. The password file, okay. I mean, you can, if you know how to create a bash script, I believe you can add this password, so you can change the script so that you do not need to create a file with the password, just the script should ask you when you launch it for the password. Okay, let's go back to connect our pool. So Xen Server 4 and 3 need also to be rebooted. Reboot, yes. And the other one, reboot, yes. So this was it. Installation of a lot of patches in minutes. Thank you for watching.